This is it. After 4 years of sleepless nights, breakdowns, and hard works, I can finally earn my bachelor's degree. And today, samahan niyo ko sa pinaka-espesyal na mga araw sa buhay ko. Hey guys, today is July 1 and it's our baccalaureate mass and papunta na kami ng school. I'm with Bebu kasi pipila na siya sa registrar habang nagmimisa kami kasi limited lang yung ticket na isisell mamaya para makapasok sa event hall. So let's go!
Parang madali mo yan nakaklose isa niya na.
Madali na kasi. Bye-bye! Thanks!
Madaldal? Yun naman maganda sa mga tao.
Summa cum laude. James Patrick. Maria Regina Go. Lola Kathleen. Sigma Oria. Narvasa Raizel. And five persons Abdurrahim since she has the highest CGPA.
Sa'yo ko pala sinabi. Kasi nagtatanong sila dito sa baba. Pero sabi ko, sasabihin ko sana ngayon. Pero sasabihin ko muna sa'yo.
Ano yan? Wow! Paano ba yan? Hindi na ito, diet! Wait! Tarpaulin mo. Ganyan kalaki sana ng tita mo. Painting. Ang ganyan mo sa painting. Ano talaga?
Before my graduation, nagpunta kami ng Sips and Selfies to have photoshoot with my family and my boyfriend. And dito ko na rin sasabihin kila mama and papa yung award ko. Sabay-sabay tayo dun sa award ko. 1, 2, 3. Suma! Suma? Isa pa?
1, 2, 3, go!
Suma! Latte!
Ayaw mag-click.
Ay, kalate. Yakit naman. Pati yung tarpaulin pala kasi naiwan. It's graduation day! Papunta na kami ng SMX guys and enjoy the video. Uy, picture tayo. Hindi na tayo magpapangita mamaya. Uy, ba't nga? Uy, magkikita pa tayo mamaya yung regalo ko na. Ayaw nga pala. Sa bahay pa. It's 1:30 PM and start na ng procession namin. Ito na talaga, gagraduate na talaga kami after 4 years.
In business administration, major in financial management.
Especially our graduates, a well-deserved round of applause. Administration, major in Marketing Management.
To them, congratulations to their graduates.
Manigma, Orient Kyle Tejano, summa cum laude. Pasculado, Jerry Jones Valdez. Ramos,
To my other hand,
They often say that graduating
I wait patiently, he's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best. It should never appear. You're your own kid, you always have been. I see the greatest. You're your own kid, you always have been.
Ano meron dyan? Invite to.
So we booked an Airbnb near Mawalang para dito mag-celebrate after my graduation ceremony. And thank you so much Ninang and Tita Gemma for the surprise and of course the blowout sa lahat ng nag-abot ng kanilang greetings and gifts. Thank you guys. Hard work's already paid off and I can say that everything that I did is worth it. Even sharing my college journey to you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. This is Kyle Mandigma, your marketing girly at NUMOA, now signing off.